What if I told you your chicken, your beef, your fish, they don't have to be boring? Let me show you the spices and sauces I use to flavor it up, and this will really help you on your weight loss journey, your fitness journey. You got to make that food taste good, and you'll want to keep eating it. If it doesn't taste good, you don't have to stick with the old boring chicken and rice, chicken and broccoli. You can make it good tasting chicken and broccoli, good tasting chicken and rice. Check this out. These are some of my favorites. My number one favorite, number one, if you like hot stuff, you have to get the Frank's Red Hot Buffalo. Okay, I'm here at Walmart. Walmart has the big jug, so if you can, get the big jug of it because you will be using it a lot. Okay, so there's no calories, no fat, no carbs, but this will make it taste great. I put it on chicken all the time. You keep this in stock because you will be using this. Next up, to keep it with the hot theme, if you like hot sauce, this is the one right here. This is the one you want to get. All right, with the wooden top, grab you some of that one. These sauces right here, I'm sure these taste great. All right, the only problem is they look good. They're called dipping sauces. All right, so 2 tablespoons, 170 calories, 18 grams of fat, and 2 tablespoons of either one of these. Okay, so think about that when you're getting your sauces and your spices. Make sure you read the labels. All right, because these will taste good, and you'll be like, oh, I'm not going to put much on my, on my chicken or whatever. You end up, that's going to add up, and you're going to wonder why you're not hitting your goals. Okay, stuff like this will put you there. All right, so make sure you're reading. You have to read the labels. Okay, as compared to the same brand, these 2 sauces right here. All right, if you read these labels, we got 1 tablespoon, 30 calories, 0 grams of fat. All right, this is a Japanese cooking sauce. All right, so you can put this on your chicken, put it on your vegetables. This stuff is really good, and you don't have to worry about adding a ton of fat to your food. Okay, so you got to think about that when you're spicing up your food. You got to think about the sauces. The sauces go a long way. They can either make you miss your goals, or they can help you hit it. Okay, but you have to be aware of that. All right. This little hidden treasure right here. All right. It's Hidden Valley seasoning. Tastes really, if you like ranch flavor. Okay, get you some of this because you can make a healthy ranch dip with this. You don't have to worry about too much fat, too much extra calories. So the seasoning, that's what you want to get right here. Make sure you keep this in stock if you like ranch. If salad's your thing, make sure you check out these Walden Farms if you can, if they have them. These right here, this is the Italian dressing coming in 0 grams of fat. You need to watch out, especially on the salad dressings. They can add a ton of fat. Okay, if you don't watch out how you put that on there. Ranch, I use this ranch when I'm making when I make chicken wings. I'll use this kind of ranch. It's coming in 0 grams of fat. All right, so check this out. It doesn't taste bad either. Okay. So the Walden Farms, they also make a good pancake syrup that you can get as well, sugar-free pancake syrup. This one's really good too, the Chipotle Ranch. If you like a little more flavor, try the Chipotle Ranch. Definitely a great option to go with. No extra calories, 0 calories, 0 grams of fat. You can't go wrong with it. Let's talk about Alfredo sauces. I love putting Alfredo sauce on chicken, on pasta, protein pasta. It tastes really good. You have to measure it out, of course. However, if you look here, we got this brand. All right, you look at this brand right here. They're coming in 1 serving, 1/4 cup. It's coming in at 9 grams of fat. 1/4 cup is not that much. If you're just trying to make a single meal, it's enough for you. But you can get 9 grams, or you can read the labels and you can choose something like this right here. 1/4 cup of this is coming in at only 3 grams or 3.5 grams of fat. Okay, so you get half the fat, and it tastes great. All right, make you some chicken, add this to it. If you want to, add a little protein pasta on the side, and you're good to go. You got your protein, you got your flavor, but you need to read the labels. So make sure when you're getting this stuff, take the time to look at the back of it. All right, look at the back, do a little research while you're at the store so that you make the right option. All right. So some of the spices that I get, oh, this right here. If you have a sweet tooth, find you these Flavor Gods buttery cinnamon roll. I use these all the time. They have the chocolate donut. So good. So try to get you some of those. They also have like a garlic if you want to make an easy garlic bread. The garlic's really good as well. And as the lemon pepper, I love lemon pepper flavor stuff. So those are good. You can also do an all-purpose. All right, get you an all-purpose. Make sure you look at the back. Make sure there's not any extra stuff that you don't need in there. And then there's another brand here that is legit. That's really good as well. Steak burger. Put some of that on the meat. So good. Here we go. We got a barbecue rub as well if you want to go that route. All right. So get you some of those. And all around good spice that I like to put on. If they have Slap Your Mama, get some Slap Your Mama. All right. If not, you can go ahead and go with Tony Chachere's. They usually have Tony Chachere's. Okay. Really good all around salt or spice. Give you a little flavor. Put a little spice in it. All right. It's not too hot, but really good. So get you some of that Slap Your Mama if you can. I keep this in stock. So easy to put on everything. All right, guys, so that's some of the options that I have for you. The spices that I use, the sauces that I use to keep it low calorie, help me stay lean. This can really help spice up your food. It'll help it taste much better. You will enjoy it so much more than just boring old chicken with salt and pepper on it, or you have to add so many different spices and sauces that you just add so many hidden calories and fats and stuff, and you wonder why you're not hitting your goals. So definitely try these out. If you want it hot, you can add a little bit more, but look at the labels. You have to look at the labels. You cannot just go buy something because it looks good on the front. Turn it around, look at the labels. Look for a healthier option, okay? So check these out, drop a comment, let me know what you think. Give me a like if you like this video, subscribe. I'll keep putting these out to try to help you out on your fitness journey, your weight loss journey, whatever your journey is, I'm here to help. So appreciate you watching. Let's keep getting better. Let's go. Come on.